back to Alberto's Adventures. Today I'll be showing you guys a room with 2 queen beds here at the Conrad at Resorts World in Las Vegas. Today we are in room 17201. So let's get the tour started. This is the entrance. So we have tile flooring, and right we have the closet, iron, robes, luggage rack, slippers. So it's nice that it lights up as soon as you open this. And continuing on, we have the restroom to the right, which we'll get into shortly. And on the left hand side, you have a really nice big mirror. Just really nice. We have the water closet in here. Nice artwork. It's really nice that you can close this off for some privacy. There's that. We have a little makeup mirror that lights up. Really nice lighting. Sink. And then down here we have a mini bar. And we also have your own little fridge space so you can put all of your own drinks inside. And again, this is a 2 queen bed. Nice artwork, lamp and phone in the middle. We have a bunch of outlets here. Phone. Very comfortable looking beds. So here we have a huge television, as well as a little seating area and more storage space down here. More artwork, a nice lamp, and of course 2 chairs and a table to relax and just hang out. It is floor to ceiling windows, which is nice. And then here on this side, an updated digital thermostat, which is always nice. And yeah, that's about it. 2 queen room at the Conrad at Resorts World in Las Vegas. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you guys once again for continuing to watch my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.